Hi kids, DJ Disney here. I'm so glad you're with me.
Let's open some new toys. This time we're opening Lego City. We have the Arctic Snowmobile. And also the Arctic Ice Crawler. It's a truck, complete with figurines. Very fun. Let's open them up. Let's explore the Arctic together and research with our team today. First up, we have the Snowmobile included in this collection. It includes a minifigure and accessories. It features skis and a detachable sled. Here is our Arctic Explorer. She's dressed for warmth. Included is an explorer hood, a walkie-talkie, and a pickaxe. Let's take a closer look at our sled. And here is our crystal, our ice block that has the crystal inside. Report back to the base with the walkie-talkie. It attaches right on the snowmobile. The snowmobile has skis that it slides and a hook for the pickaxe. The sled is detachable. The Arctic Ice Crawler has multiple lights and tracks to cope with the icy terrain. Also a radar at the top. There's a rotating crane in the back with a heavy-duty hook. The truck also has rubber tracks, and here's the crystal and the ice block that's included. Hook the blue ice block and then lift it inside the truck. Let's use our imagination to reach the remotest destination with this Lego City Ice Crawler. Here is the figurine that's included. It has the comfy hood. Let's take a closer look at the Ice Crawler truck. Let's get started! We're on our way to explore and study the Arctic with our Arctic team. We've discovered some interesting crystals, and we're coming to study them closer. The best thing to do is collect the crystals and take them back to the research base camp. Here comes the snowmobile. Let's lift up this last crystal and load it into our ice crawler. Josie and Skylar are part of our expedition team today. They're ready to get the job done. Skylar, I'll guide you as you lift up your crystal in the truck. Move closer and lower the crane. I'll hook it up. It's ready to be lifted. We're all done and on our way. We're getting word that there's going to be a snowstorm. Mayday, mayday! We're stuck in a snowstorm. We need rescue immediately. We were sent to rescue Excavator to pull us out and dig us out of the snow. The transporter truck must quickly park and unload the excavator so we can rescue our team that's stuck in the snow. It's so good to be safe again. This was a really close one. We thank you so much for rescuing us. Now we can safely get back to our base camp and deliver our crystals. Well, this was so much fun. Thanks for watching, kids. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Bye, everyone.